apparently on the old Zucknet, they reckon that this axle bolt, this main one here, is a bit tight. Now, I'm in no way any sort of motorcycle mechanic, so all I'm going to do is try and get this off. This is brand new, I've never taken it off before, and saying on Facebook that people have had a lot of trouble undoing it. So let's give it a go. I'm going to start with a spanner. Let's see how we go. She's fucking tight. Just can't actually get a good grip on it. So I also bought a impact driver. She's moving. Seems to. I did measure this with a caliper and I think it was set 27 mil. And this isn't an impact driver, more designed for putting screws in and shit like that. The reason I like using this is because I've sheared off bolts and stuff on my car using the bigger stuff. Well, there she goes. Really, there's not a lot of hard to get good purchase on that, so I'm glad I bought one that's proper hexagonal. This spanner was a bit of a I'll take this one back actually, so I won't need that now that it's off. Anyway, thanks. Hope we've learned something. Yeah, it was pretty tough. This little sucker made it work.